problem 4 is very similar to problem 4 from our first practice exam. And I'm not going to go into great depth here, so if this one seems a little confusing to you, feel free to go back to EOC Practice 1 and look at that video because I go into a little more depth there. So basically what we're trying to figure out is whether the two equations the students came up with are equivalent to the teacher's equations. And the things that you can do to equations, you can add them up, you can subtract them from each other, you can multiply the whole thing by the same number, you can divide the whole thing by the same number. So let's look at what the first student did here. This one, 12x minus 5y, I'm not sure what's happening here because it's the same as this, except instead of being equal to minus 6, it's equal to 10. I really don't know how that happened, so I'm going to say this is not an equivalent equation to either of these, or to a combination of these. This one, I see what they did here is they took minus 4x plus 7y equals 9, and they multiplied the whole thing by negative 2. So when you distribute that in, here you're going to get positive 8x. Here you're going to get minus 14y. And here you're going to get minus 18. So that's how they got that one. It works. But this one, I have no idea how they got that. I don't think that works. Let's take a look at Boolean. This one here is the same as that, so it's good to go. This 8x plus 2y equals 3. At first it seems like, where did they get that from? But it looks like what they did was they just added these two equations up. So 12x plus minus 4x is 8x, minus 5y plus 7y is plus 2y, and 9 plus negative 6 is minus 3. And that matches that. So Boolean is good to go, but not Chaitin. So which of them obtained a system that's equivalent to the teacher's system? Well, Boolean did, only Boolean.